Jeep just confirmed something that completely changes the game for anyone considering a 2026 Wrangler purchase. If you're debating whether to buy a Wrangler now or wait another year, these 6 major updates will make that decision crystal clear. While most people think waiting for a new model year means minor tweaks and higher prices, the 2026 Wrangler delivers substantial improvements that justify every month you hold off. Number 6. New hybrid transmission. The plug-in hybrid Wrangler is getting a complete transmission overhaul that promises to transform how this electrified beast performs both on pavement and trails. The current 4xe uses ZF's 8HP 75ph transmission, but the system struggled with power delivery smoothness and limited electric range. Therefore, the 2026 model is upgrading to the advanced 8HP 80ph system that delivers substantially more electric power. This new transmission pumps out 215 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque from its electric motor alone, which is a massive jump from the current system's 134 horsepower and 181 pound-feet. The current setup often felt sluggish during electric-to-gas transitions, but the new system promises seamless power delivery. Therefore, this translates to quicker acceleration off the line, more responsive throttle feel, and better trail performance when you need instant torque for rock crawling or steep climbs. The engineering behind this upgrade tackles previous reliability concerns. Instead of separate electronic control units scattered throughout the vehicle that created potential failure points, the new system integrates the motor's electronic control directly into the transmission housing. Therefore, this reduces complexity, cuts down on potential failure points, and makes maintenance simpler and less expensive over the long term. The current 4xE's 21-mile electric range often left daily commuters burning gas, but the 2026 model will deliver up to 31 miles of pure electric range. Therefore, that's a 50% improvement that puts more daily commutes within reach of zero-emission driving. But while hybrid technology is evolving, there's one powertrain that seemed destined for extinction until now. Number 5. V8 stays. For months, Wrangler enthusiasts believed the Rubicon 392 Final Edition would mark the end of the legendary Hemi V8, but this fear created a dealer markup frenzy, with some adding $20,000 or more to already steep prices. Therefore, many buyers felt pressured to purchase immediately rather than wait for better deals. But here's the relief every V8 lover has been waiting for. The 6.4-liter Hemi is confirmed to return for 2026. This news completely destroys the artificial scarcity that dealers have been exploiting. Therefore, there's absolutely no reason to pay those inflated dealer premiums on the current models. The 470 horsepower monster that rockets the Wrangler to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds will be available next year, but it will likely come at a more reasonable price point without the panic-driven markups. Therefore, smart buyers can simply wait for the 2026 model year and get the same earth-shaking V8 experience without the dealer markup madness. So the powertrain options are impressive, but raw power means nothing if you can't control it properly, which brings us to a long overdue improvement. Number 4. Steering upgrades. Anyone who's spent time behind the wheel of a Wrangler knows the steering has always been the vehicle's biggest weakness, but this vague, wandering feel that requires constant corrections has been the unavoidable price of the Wrangler's off-road capability. Therefore, the 2026 model is finally addressing this long-standing complaint with subtle but meaningful improvements to the steering system. According to insider information, engineers have been working to balance on-road refinement with off-road capability, but they face the challenge of maintaining the light, easy-to-maneuver feel essential for tight trails. Therefore, the revised steering setup will provide a more precise on-center feel and reduce the fatigue-inducing corrections that make highway driving tiresome. The solid front axle and recirculating ball steering that enable supreme off-road capability create inherent limitations, but Jeep's engineers have found ways to minimize the worst aspects without compromising trail performance. The steering upgrades are welcome, but if you think mechanical improvements are exciting, wait until you see how Jeep is expanding personalization options. Number 3. Visual tweaks. The Wrangler's exterior design represents automotive iconography that's remained virtually unchanged for decades, but this conservative approach has left some buyers craving more personalization options. Therefore, the 2026 model isn't messing with the winning formula, but it is expanding the color palette in ways that should excite buyers looking for something different. Previously, some of the best colors were reserved for the Gladiator pickup, creating frustration among Wrangler buyers, but Jeep has finally decided to share these popular options across the lineup. Therefore, shades like Gobi, the distinctive desert tan that's been popular on the pickup, will finally be available for Wrangler buyers who want that rugged earth tone appearance. Tuscadero Pink created surprising demand during its limited availability, but its restricted availability frustrated many potential buyers who missed the narrow window. Therefore, it's returning as a regular option alongside at least 2 completely new colors expected to debut exclusively for the 2026 model year. New colors are nice, but they're meaningless if the vehicle underneath can't back up its rugged appearance, which is where the Wrangler truly shines. Number 2. Off-road monster. The Wrangler's off-road hardware represents the pinnacle of mass production capability, but this extreme focus on trail performance delivers unmatched advantages for serious adventurers. Therefore, Dana 44 axles front and rear provide incredible strength for wheel articulation, while electronic sway bar disconnects allow suspension flex that enables the Wrangler to tackle terrain other vehicles simply cannot attempt. The available locking differentials and rock-crawling gear ratios create technical climbing ability that's genuinely unrivaled, but these features work together to provide confidence-inspiring performance on the most challenging trails. Therefore, ground clearance, approach angles, and departure angles all remain class-leading for conquering obstacles that would stop other SUVs in their tracks. The new hybrid system actually enhances these legendary capabilities through instant electric torque, but electric motors deliver a maximum torque from 0 RPM, which creates significant advantages in technical situations. Therefore, this provides incredibly precise throttle control when positioning wheels on rocks or navigating steep, loose surfaces where traditional gas engines struggle with smooth power delivery. The 2026 model's hybrid system transforms low-speed trail performance, but the instant torque delivery makes rock crawling and technical maneuvering more controlled than ever before. Therefore, the combination of proven mechanical capability with cutting-edge electric assistance creates an off-road experience that simply cannot be matched by any other production SUV on the market today. The off-road capability is genuinely impressive, but these mechanical advantages come with pricing that reflects the Wrangler's unique position in the market. Number 1. Pricing. The 2026 Wrangler reflects the reality of modern automotive pricing, but the increases come with meaningful improvements that justify the investment. Therefore, base models are expected to start around $37,000, representing a modest increase over current pricing that still keeps the Wrangler competitive with other capable SUVs. Mid-level trims like the Sahara and Rubicon will see proportional increases, but these models pack significantly more standard equipment than previous years. Therefore, well-equipped versions will reach the mid-$50,000 range, positioning them competitively against other premium SUVs with similar capability. The hybrid 4xe models command a premium that reflects their advanced dual-power technology, but this pricing strategy delivers exceptional value when you consider the fuel savings and performance benefits. Therefore, pricing is about to start near $60,000 for well-equipped electrified versions, which represents strong value in the growing hybrid SUV market. The value proposition becomes even stronger when you consider what you're getting: one of the most capable production SUVs ever built, with legendary reliability, unmatched resale value, and a proven track record. Therefore, buyers are investing in a vehicle that holds its value exceptionally well and provides decades of dependable service. The V8-powered Rubicon 392 will start around $98,000, but this pricing reflects the exclusive nature of owning the most powerful factory Wrangler ever produced. Therefore, for those who want the ultimate expression of American off-road performance, these prices represent access to a piece of automotive history, a naturally aspirated V8 SUV with uncompromised capability that represents the peak of what's possible before emissions regulations force manufacturers towards smaller, more efficient powertrains. So there you have it. The 2026 Wrangler brings a revolutionary hybrid transmission with 50% more electric range, the confirmed return of the legendary V8 without dealer markups, subtle but meaningful steering improvements, and many more. While these changes are mostly evolutionary rather than revolutionary, they address key complaints and add genuine value. So waiting for 2026 makes perfect sense if you want the latest technology and can afford to wait a few more months. The Wrangler remains the logical choice for anyone looking for off-road adventure, but it's not the only one, and that's why you need to check our video about what makes the 2026 Ford Bronco so special. The two models are the most direct rivals on the market, but each one comes with unique features and design solutions that stand out. The Bronco is super capable, but it also comes with a suspension setup that offers a bit higher level of comfort on the road and comes with a lineup of pretty impressive turbocharged engines.